White beans, also known as navy beans, are a nutritious legume popular in various cuisines for their mild flavor and versatility. These beans are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly contribute to overall health. Incorporating white beans into your diet can provide a multitude of benefits, from supporting heart health to enhancing digestive function. Check out the awesome health benefits of white beans that will boost your health. Rich in nutrients, white beans are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. High in protein, they provide a substantial amount of plant-based protein, making them a valuable food for vegetarians and vegans. Dietary fiber. White beans are high in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. Weight management. The combination of protein and fiber can enhance feelings of fullness, helping to control appetite and support weight loss. Blood sugar control. The fiber in white beans slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. Antioxidant properties. White beans contain antioxidants that protect cells from damage by free radicals and reduce inflammation. Energy boost. Rich in iron, white beans help produce hemoglobin, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body and reducing fatigue. Immune support. The presence of zinc and other essential nutrients in white beans supports a healthy immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections. Digestive health. The high fiber content aids in maintaining regular bowel movements and supporting a healthy digestive system. Muscle health. The protein in white beans is crucial for muscle repair and growth, making them beneficial for active individuals and athletes. Brain health. Folate and other B vitamins in white beans support brain health and cognitive function, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and other compounds in white beans help reduce inflammation, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.